You are going to love the 2017 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power tailgate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.